It's Terry N6TLU on location in Marais, Michigan. Behind me, there's a ham radio little setup going on. I'm gonna go over here and see what this is all about. It could be something very cool. Here we go. All right, so this looks like the initial setup. It'd be really cool if they put an antenna up on that old windmill. I don't know if this is a swap meet or a special event station, but we'll find out. You got us all? Yeah. All right, so we're up here at a special event station. I'm Terry, N6TLU. I've got Bob and Neil here. They'll introduce themselves and what they're up to. But it's a special event station for what, 10 gigahertz and above, right?
Right.
And they're going to try to talk across Lake Superior around the world on ham radio. Now, you can hop over here because I want to get you in here real quick. Okay. Still rolling?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Also got KCA HVM up here in Marais on vacation, right? All right, so here we go. All right, Neil, what's up, man?
I'm Neil, W9NU from Elkhart, Indiana, and this is our second time up to Lake Superior to do the 10 gig and above ARRL contest, and I'm with Bob,
Hi.
K2YZ from Traverse City, and we're set up this morning. We got 3 bands, 10 gig, 24 gig, 47 gig, and we're gonna try to talk to some Canadians that are setting up also on the North Shore. Where they at?
And Marathon.
Is it Ontario?
Yeah, Ontario.
Marathon, Ontario. And then we have some hams over Copper Harbor that we're going to try to get a hold of.
Cool.
So basically, I'll show you. This is this is a 47 gigahertz station here, and we have a special antenna we bought from a guy in New Jersey for this one. This is a 18-inch dish.
Okay.
Has a transverter underneath this box, and we convert 24 gigs down to 2 meters.
Okay.
Which we send over to an icon or a Yaesu 817.
Right.
And we're probably mostly going to do Morse code today, not sideband. We have a little 47 gig rig here with very little 2 little horn antennas. And then this is our 10 gig station, which most people will be having today. This is a TV antenna been converted over to do ham work.
Cool.
And so that'll be the main thing. Mostly we'll be working on 10 gigs today.
All right, you're totally off the grid, right? It's all battery powered.
All battery powered.
Yep. Then you got another station over here.
And then to liaison, we operate 2 meter sideband on 144/260. And we have a 4-element 2 meter beam up on the tower.
Ah, yeah.
And that's what we'll use to get a hold of people and tell them where we're at, and basically make a skid with them so we can do the higher frequencies, because you got to have somebody pointing it right at you, to make contact. So you do have to prearrange contacts.
Yep. And do you have 3 prearranged right now? Is that correct?
There's 2 or 3 groups, is there?
There's a group in Minnesota, a group in Copper Harbor, and a group in Marathon, Ontario.
Okay.
Yeah,
And there's like 5 operators in Marathon, and they're from Winnipeg, all the way to Winnipeg, Thunder Bay, and also some guys from Michigan are going to, not Michigan, from Minnesota are going to be there too.
Okay.
So.
And since you said the lake's a little bit choppy today, that could interfere possibly with your signal?
It won't give us our best signals.
Okay.
We'd like to see a flat sea, which is probably hard to get up here.
Yep.
But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Great.
So,
And when you guys going to kick it off, you think? What time?
We're kicking it off right now.
Right now? Okay. It's like a little after 10 o'clock right now, guys. But you say it officially started like at 0600, right? Okay.
local time.
Call CQ and you'll see if you can find anyone.
Yeah, all right. Force space.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You a military guy?
Yeah. Yep, Air Force.
Still got the military haircut. That's
yeah, good to shake it. All right, so Neil's going to try a CQ on sideband, correct?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Liaison.
CQ microwave, CQ microwave, CQ microwave. This is Whiskey 9 November uniform. CQ microwave, CQ microwave, CQ microwave from Whiskey 9 November uniform. Calling CQ microwave and listening.
What kind of output power we got right now, Neil?
We've probably got a little over 100 watts.
Okay. Any?
No, we don't have any watts. I didn't have that turned on.
Okay.
CQ microwave, CQ microwave, CQ microwave from Whiskey 9 November uniform. CQ microwave from Whiskey 9 November uniform. Calling CQ microwave and listening.
So obviously we're floating ground, right? There's no way to get a good ground on this system,
Yeah,
but it doesn't matter at the high
we don't need a
frequencies.
good
Right.
ground. So basically, we're just going to have to sit and wait till we hear somebody.
Sure. Okay. So he's scanning the band right now, people. With a manual rotor.
Rotor by Armstrong.
Yeah. Let me know if you're going to send a CQ, Bob, and I'll hop over there. Come over there, man. What kind of output power do you have here going, Bob?
That's about 10 watts on 10 gig,
Okay.
which is quite a lot of power in that band.
Oh, yeah. And which antenna are you transmitting off of right now?
On the big dish.
Okay.
This dish here.
The modified TV.
TV, yeah.
That's cool. At least there's a good use for those things.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we have to line up. I don't even know where we're supposed to be pointed. I'm going to have to hear them one
Yeah.
time, and then we're good.
Then you can kind of
I'm
zero in
just
on them.
kind of guessing where Marathon is. Somewhere out there.
You see the pier off there in the distance.
Yeah.
Grand Marais. It's a beautiful area. Great day for this.
We got lucky, I tell you.
Yeah. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, I hear.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we're good. We're here for one day.
Okay. All right, so you send CQ and then you say you're using the 2-meter radio as a IF,
Right.
So
Yep.
then you have to check that IF bandwidth, right, for a station? Is that what's
Right.
going on?
Well,
Okay.
there's a transverter, that silver thing over in the box there.
Yeah.
That transverts the 10 gigahertz down to 144 megahertz.
Okay.
And then you can use a standard off-the-shelf transceiver to monitor 2 meters or 144.
Cool.
So, and obviously we're hearing a lot of guys here.
It'll happen.
Oh yeah.
We're in EN 76AQ.
Oh, sorry. What was that?
Our GPS coordinates in grid square is EN 76AQ.
Excellent.
So that's what we'll have to tell everybody, and then we have programs on our iPhone that'll tell us which direction to point.
Okay. Excellent.
So
So can both of you guys transmit at the same time, or do you interfere with each other?
we could
No?
do
Okay.
I hear a little bit of his,
Yeah, I was hearing the.
his noise, but
Yeah.
probably not enough to bother me.
Okay. Cool. All right, so we got Emmy and Sharon. You can't avoid the camera. Okay, Sharon's part of the team up here, even though she says she's not a ham, but you're still part of the activity, so that's cool.
I carry batteries, I carry the food, food and drinks.
Yeah, I saw a lot of cookies. I didn't see any beer though.
How about Gatorade? Would
Okay.
you like some Gatorade?
No, I'm good. And then we got Emmy here. Shortwave girl, right, buddy?
Right.
Yeah, I know.
And what do you think of this whole thing, huh?
Nice.
Yeah, it's cool. Nice day for it, isn't it? Yeah. So you're kind of like burying yourself. What's that all about?
Well, I'm pretty hot, so this will keep out the warm air and keep in the cold.
Yeah.
And I think I'm getting cold now.
What about the sand fleas that are going to start chewing your legs up?
It's not even a thing.
You will see.
Come on. Lay down.
The watchdog.
Yeah.
Doing his job, aren't you,
Radio
buddy?
is Dorkosaurus.
Yeah. Good boy. What'd you call him?
Dorkosaurus.
Dorkosaurus.
Yeah.
You know, it's funny you'd say that because in a lot of my videos I use those little added
Right. Well,
suffixes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a real Dorko. Well, Dorko is actually a real name. It's Hungarian for Dorothy.
Ah,
So
okay.
Dorko is a real name.
All right.
Oh, you want a bungee cord to wrap this?
No, it's all right.
It looks like it's a little shaky there.
So now we aim the beam at Copper Harbor.
Yeah.
CQ microwave, CQ microwave, CQ microwave from Whiskey 9 November uniform. Whiskey 9 November uniform. Echo Norway 76 America Quebec. Echo Norway 76 America Quebec. Calling CQ microwave and listening.
All right, let's get some close-ups on these antennas and what it takes to generate a signal. So check this out.
Where you guys from?
We're from Traverse City.
Very cool.
Oh, really? Yeah, I'm from Maple City.
There it is. Modified TV, satellite TV dish, doing its job.
Yeah, it's pretty close down there. It's just,
That looks like the head of a robot, doesn't it?
Elk Rapids is where we live, and we live about 5 miles south of there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Batteries.
Yeah, Traverse City's getting a little tough to
Go up
get
inside this one.
Oh man, I was going over to Costco.
Look at that
the other
jobber,
day,
huh?
I turned around. I said, forget it.
Very cool.
Coming from
You know, it doesn't matter what it looks like.
It's a
It
long
just has to
ways.
matter that it works.
Yeah, I mean, that's why it's nice to have Sam's over there, but
All right, so Neil's got a homebrew machine here.
Some home brew and there's something bought.
Yeah, so this is a 10 gig. This is a 10 gig station. I have a Yaesu 817 in here.
Okay. Cool.
And this is a little controller that's actually will allow me to send a beacon out.
Mhm.
It's a beacon generator, and I put the little
Oh, the little key. Yeah.
key here.
So is the beacon generator, is that to just stir up some activity so people know
it
you're
just
on
puts
there?
out CQ in my call. CQ
Okay.
in my call.
Okay.
But if somebody's looking for us, they'll
Yeah.
hear that and
All right, that's cool.
Get up.
Very nice.
and I can even put a microphone on it here. Put a microphone plug
Okay.
so I can use a mic if I want to.
The batteries are internal, right? Standalone unit.
Amplifier.
Wow.
So here's the transverter, puts out 200 milliwatts. This is a 3-watt amplifier here. There's a 10 meg oven controlled oscillator here that comes into here to put the 10 gigs right on frequency. This is a sequencer I made to sequence the relays from receive to transmit. And the battery is laying down on the bottom there.
So are you using the antenna connection here, or?
No, I use
are
it
you-
there. I use it. Luckily, this has 2 connections.
Okay,
And so I
gotcha.
use that
It
one.
comes on the side. Okay. Very cool. So approximately, what's your investment in that little gizmo?
About $1,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not, still not bad.
That's counting this,
Yeah.
and actually, it's not counting this.
Oh, okay.
Not counting this.
So it's probably around 1,400 then.
So I
Yeah.
made this too. It tells we're on 10 gigs. And so normally we transmit on 200. Let's see. I must have been playing around with something. transmit on 200. And your granddaughter, she moved
Oh
aside.
yeah, you're right in the way of the antenna, buddy. He's not going to get anywhere if you transmit. Yep. Come on over this way, please.
So what I do is, see it, there's a blinking thing there, I bring it down to beacon, and then I hit the top thing. And so that'll send out CQ in my call. And if I just hit this, it'll stop the beacon.
And it goes right to your operation. Okay.
And it's that simple.
All right.
And this should be able to work cross-leg. This has a little horn antenna instead of the dish.
Yep.
But it's a fairly big horn, and so far it's actually been working very well. We've been crossing Lake Michigan with no trouble with it. So.
Oh, that's very cool.
And I'm trying to keep from having to drag all that equipment up here.
Yeah. Yep. Gotta love your hobbies.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great, man.
So we're building something, but Sarah's getting me some racks over there.
Okay, she's down at the beach. Let's see if I can zoom in on her. Might be getting her. Yep, so she's down there getting more rocks for you because what, you're doing a project, Emmy?
Yeah. You want to come see?
Sure. Yep. Coming
Right
around.
here.
Okay, what do you got?
Well, this is what we have so far. We want this color to be this mouth, but we want it smiled up like that.
Ah, so that's why you need more rocks. Yeah. So what do you think of this ham radio stuff?
It's nice. Oh, look, she might be coming back.
All right, buddy. All right, so I'll kind of put this in perspective for everybody. So we're on the shore of Lake Superior at Marais. Here's the setup. Just kind of pan around slowly. You can check out the terrain. This is a gorgeous location for an inexpensive vacation. So if you ever have the chance, come on up to Marais. Over here, this area is where the Coast Guard is. And there's a pier, so you always see the boats rolling out here. Okay. And over in this area, I'll go back, right over in this area on the Bay of Marais, I hear that one of the guys from Bachman Turner Overdrive have a house, right? So that's kind of cool. Haven't found it yet. I'd love to sell them a guitar amp. Haha. All right, so I hear is the pier, lighthouse out there. I don't know if that's operational or not, but we used to hike out there every year. I haven't been out there this year, but I have been swimming. Water temperature is always nice and cold, but it'll wake you up and you feel nice and refreshed. All right, back to the ham radios.
It's a professional operation. Look, watch when I key it. Look down here. Push the talk comes on, right? See? And then I got lights up in there.
So this is a little palm radio pier. Very cool. I'll have to get one of these. Very nice for portable operation.
Strong. Okay, QRZ, K2YAZ, over. Okay, give me a long call so I can tune you in. Long call, please. Go ahead.
Yeah, K2 from B3KRP 123455432115432111234 K2YAZ from B3KRP.
Yeah, okay, Eddie. BE3KRP, K2YAZ. Good signal. Echo November 76 Alpha, Quebec. Go ahead. Echo November 76 Alpha, Quebec. Go ahead. EN6 what?
FTQ. What was that? Six. What was that?
68? 6868, Roger.
Tango, Quebec. EN68 Tango, Quebec.
Okay, good. Got you that time. Drifting a little bit. Thanks, Eddie.
Okay, thank you. Good to hear you, Bob. AWU. Thanks for the contact.
Yeah, okay, Bill. Great hearing you too. Thanks a lot.
All right, first official.
Anyone else there? Yeah, K0KFC from K2YZ QSL. Please copy Echo November 76 Alpha Quebec. Go ahead.
Okay, Roger, QSL, thanks for the call. 73.
Okay, thank you. You have the time roughly, what time it is?
Yeah,
Roughly?
we got 12:09.
Okay, that's good.
10. Good.
Okay, QRZ from K2YZ. Yeah, okay, Barry VE4MA from K2YAZ EN76 Alpha Quebec.
Roger, please copy Echo Nancy 68 Tango, Quebec. Okay? Over.
Yeah, Roger. Thanks, Barry. You copying those guys? What? Really? Did you change the angle a little bit? You want to try to work them? Well, you use this. Use this. Use this. Yeah.
And then
And EN76 Alpha Quebec. That's what we are here.
I'm going to do my first 10 megahertz QSO, right?
10 gigahertz.
Gigahertz.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, megahertz.
Here, you want to sit?
No, that's good, man. That's good. What do you got there? Is this his call?
Yeah, call.
K0AWU from November 6 Tango Lima Uniform. Copy?
Tango 62, that is 62. Alpha, Whiskey, Uniform. Please copy Echo Nancy 68 Tango, Quebec. Echo Nancy 68 Tango, Quebec.
Okay, yeah, the call here is November 6 Tango Lima Uniform, and you're EN76, right? AG? AQ? EN76AQ. QSO?
QSL, thank you very much. When I signal,
Excellent, thanks for the QSO. Oh, is there another one?
Another one. VE3.
Oh, VE3KRP and 6TLU. Also here at EN76AQ.
Roger, Roger, and TLU from the E3KRP, please copy Echo Nancy 68 Tango, Quebec.
Excellent, appreciate it, guys.
Next one. K0KFC.
Okay. K0KFC and 6TLU.
I don't know.
K0KFC and 6TLU. Copy?
Roger, Roger, and 6TLU, K0KFC, please copy EN68 Tango, Quebec.
All right, yeah, you're also EN76AQ. QSL?
QSL, thank you, 73.
73.
VE4MA.
VE4MA and 6TLU. VE4MA from N6TLU. Copy that. We're at EN76AQ. 73. Thanks for the QSO.
Why don't you call them there? You should be able to work them.
Is that good? We get it.
Good job.
Excellent.
VE3 Alpha Delta something from K2YAZ at EN76 Alpha Quebec. VE3 Alpha Delta
Question mark from K2YAZ EN76 Alpha, Quebec. Alpha Delta Quebec. Alpha Delta Quebec. Alpha Delta Quebec. Roger. What?
I think you want your call, Sam.
Oh, it's Kilo 2 Yankee Alpha Zulu. K2YAZ Echo November 76 Alpha Quebec.
Hello, Bob K2Y. I copy November 70 Alpha Quebec.
Same Ian. Grid again, grid again, grid again. Oh, he must be in the same location.
Okay.
Echo November 68 Tango Kilo. Tango Kilo, Roger. Oh, Tango Quebec.
QSL.
I wrote it down wrong,
Tango
I guess.
Quebec. QSL. I'm in Echo Norway 76.
Alpha Quebec.
Alpha Quebec. EN 76 Alpha Quebec. Over. Thank you very much. 73s. VE3 KRP. VE3 KRP. This is Whiskey 9 November uniform. Whiskey 9 November uniform. Echo Norway 76 America Quebec.
Someone doubled
Okay.
me.
Okay, you guys are doubling on us. We got Tango Quebec. We got a double on that time. VE3 KRP. This is W9NU.
Sorry about that. W9NU. Please copy Echo Nancy 68 Tango Quebec. Over.
Okay. I had the grid wrong all that time.
68 Tango Quebec. Tango Quebec. QSL. Over.
Roger. Thank you very much. And
Okay,
I know you picked this
QSL
up yet.
W9NU. Who is that?
KFC. K0.
K0 KFC QSL. QSL, you're 68 Tango Quebec. We're Echo Norway 76 America Quebec. EN 76 America Quebec. Over.
VE4.
Okay, 73s. Thank you very much. VE3MA. Or VE4MA, excuse me, VE4MA, this is Whiskey 9 November uniform, go ahead. QSL, you're 68 Tango Quebec, over.
Yes, we have another ham just joined us, and you are, sir?
I'm Lee Derwachter, Kilo Alpha 5, November Hotel Uniform
Excellent.
in Grand Marais, Michigan. Welcome.
Have you ever done any of this 10 gigabits?
No,
work?
this is the first time I've even seen it work other than looking at magazines and stuff, ARRL, and this is fantastic to see it actually being worked.
Yeah. So what bands do you normally operate?
The normal bands,
HF?
all HF and some VHF.
Yep.
We have a local repeater here that's under repair, 147.195, and so you could use your VH antenna there to hit that if you want to.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is great. You're right on the shores of Lake Superior, on the south shores of Lake Superior, which I always identify myself when I'm on HF.
Right.
And this is fantastic.
So you're local right
Yes,
here in Grand Marais?
I live in Grand Marais.
Okay,
Even
excellent.
though my call sign's out of Louisiana,
All right.
which I got my ticket many, many, many years ago.
Yeah, excellent.
So
All right.
thank you very
All right,
much.
Thank you. Okay.
That's
That's probably screwed up 47. Yeah. Well, next time we'll get a little more frequency stability here because it's impossible, you know. Yeah. Okay, because he's sending again. We'll listen for him then, right? That was a Roger. Okay.
He hears me?
Yeah, you're
Okay.
good. Just listen to him.
All right. Don't have to tune?
Is he calling?
You're not hearing him.
Is he calling? Okay. You better tune a little bit.
Tune a little bit. There he is.
Here he is. Sending the grid right now. I don't know why he sent two D's at the end. You think it's over to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he broke.
So hit R. Send him R.
Yeah. We got a good copy here.
Alright, I'll try it again.
Or QSL.
I'll send the EM, right?
You haven't sent it before.
Yeah, we're good. We got him. We're Roger. Yeah. We got tell Peter we got good signal on CW.
Alright, got it.
Yeah.
That cue's really fast.
There's Terry. Terry just completed
yeah, what, you
a
guys partying
10
up?
gig
You
signal
drinking beer
across
already?
Lake Superior
Yep.
with the Canadians. So he made his first country on 10 gigs.
Somebody else. I think. I just heard
Hey,
somebody.
thanks a lot.
Tuning in.
See you later. Bye.
Yeah. Alright, so we've made 5 contacts so
Right.
far. Everybody's up in Canada. And we're having a celebration beer.
here.
Little bells there, right? Yeah.
By the way,
Yeah.
those contacts over there were 224.4 kilometers.
That's pretty good. 200, are you still rolling, Emmy? Yeah. 224.4 kilometers away. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. All right, but
Pick that frequency.
hey, buddy.
Yeah,
Hi.
Hi.
What's going on?
Go to the bathroom.
Where are you going? Why are you going that way?
The bathroom is over there.
Bye, shortwave girl.